Hi guys! So my name is Isaura and welcome to Isa Cakes Live. I am starting a YouTube channel and I know a lot of people are starting a YouTube channel these days, but you know what? I am just going to do it as well. The reason why is because I want to challenge myself and I hope also to inspire a lot of different people around the world. So this is also the reason why I, a Dutchie, I am from the Netherlands near Amsterdam, is going to do this in English, because in this way I hope to connect with a lot of people and see if we are dealing with the same problems, issues, and also a lot of fun things in life. So about the challenges. I am 29 years old. I have a boyfriend. I have a lovely baby girl from 10 months. English, Isa. I have a lovely baby girl who is 10 months old at the moment. And I am out of a job. I mean, oh my gosh. I am unemployed. Was it my fault? No, it wasn't. I was about 2 weeks before starting my maternity leave, and the company I worked for was in a merger, and so I lost my job. This was like really awful. I was like, what the hell are you doing to me? I mean, I am like the perfect employee. I was always working late. I was doing 2 different jobs at the same time at their company to help them out, and I lost mine. So I am not going to be sad or angry about it anymore. I have my lovely baby girl. So now it's time for me to find another job. And during this process, I noticed that I am feeling a bit insecure, you know. I have been working since I was 17 non-stop. And this is the first time I am feeling this way. I mean, I've never been without a job. So my passion is baking, and I have a separate room in my house in which I do all the baking for friends, families, and also a few customers. So I'm not a professional baker. Let me just say that right off the bat. I'm not, but I really love doing it. Unfortunately, I can't do it full time, so I'm still in the search of that job as a secretary. I need to be more positive, because when you are not working, you can do all the other things in your life, but it is making me insecure and a little bit sad. So this is why I'm starting this challenge. I need to make YouTube videos for you in which I show all the things that I'm going to do in my life. So you will see things, challenges that I've set for myself. Like the first one is to clean out my cake decorating room. It's not that big of a mess, but I have so much stuff and I really need to do something about it. I don't know if I'm going to do it like the KonMari style, because I am such a hoarder, so I have like a lot of cake decorating supplies. But I need to organize everything better. And when you have a child, I mean, oh my god, I just don't have the time. So I am really going to make an effort and set some goals for myself. And hopefully by making these videos, I can look back at the videos and see, okay, this is what you have accomplished. And I hope to also inspire all you guys. I will do this for a lot of rooms in the house. And so you will see a lot of things that I'm doing in my life. And hopefully in the future I will also make a few videos for you, showing you my passion of the baking and all that kind of jazz. I am not a professional baker, okay? I'm just not. My inspiration when it comes to baking are Zoe's Fancy Cakes, Artisan Cake Company, I think she's called, and How to Cake It. So, How to Cake It and How to Cook That. They are amazing and I am no way near their level. But they are an inspiration to me and I watch every video they make, and I hope someday I can be as great as they are. But I am really not. If you want to see what I have made, then you can have a look on my channels. I have the Instagram, the Twitter, my Facebook, my website, my WordPress. Oh my god, I have a lot. You can see everything because I've linked it down below. And I also hope you subscribe to, stay tuned and see everything that I'm doing. So, is this only going to be about cleaning? No, it is not. But for the cake decorating room, it is my first challenge. So you will see a lot of things. I want to talk about different subjects. So if there is something happening in my life that I need to discuss, then I will do so. So I hope you subscribe. I hope you will follow me in this journey. I will make a lot of new content for you. I hope to do so every week. So at least once a week, and hopefully also give a little bonus every once in a while. And I hope to make my channel grow with things that inspire a lot of people. I will talk about a lot of different subjects. So it will not only be cleaning, it will not only be organizing and that kind of stuff. So I will do my best. I really enjoy this new adventure in my life. So I hope that also I can inspire a few of you YouTubers. You can give me tips, you can comment below, you can share with me what you would like to see. You can link to your YouTube channel so I can have a look. You can just let me know where you're from, because I'm really interested in knowing who is viewing my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.